Welcome to Voice Coach with Well Said Studio. In this video, you'll learn how to choose the perfect voice avatar for your production. In your studio project, you can select from your recently used voice avatars, your favorites, or create with a new one. View the voice avatar library by clicking See All Avatars from the right panel or the avatar image in the editor. Here, you can filter your search by accents, voice characteristics, and styles. Or use the search bar to narrow your search quickly. And preview voices instantly with the play button.
Your creative life will evolve in ways that you can't possibly imagine. Trust your gut, don't overthink it, and allow yourself a little room to play.
Click a voice avatar's photo to audition. Enter your script, choose a style, and click Create. Experience your script come to life.
Empowering first-time homebuyers with knowledge, guidance, and confidence on their journey to homeownership.
And if you found a voice you love, add it to your favorites for future projects. Keep learning and keep creating.